Right, the boys are going up into the Pixar Place Hotel. Elevators are moving. Bunch of schematics in this windows. Watch. Most all these windows to the left of this hotel has a bunch of schematics. Actually, the 14th, 12th, and the 13th floor looks like there's no schematics. Maybe those are done. But we're gonna be heading in here and go to the 3rd floor and see if the scrim is actually gone or not, to see if the new painted area is up and running. I'm gonna put my sunglasses on once we get out here into the sun. But first, gotta hit the elevator and let's go to the pedestrian overcrossing, level number 2. All right, first thing on the agenda, we're gonna go see what the Disneyland Hotel holiday sign looks like, which is right down over there. Since we saw it at night, might as well go see what it looks like during the day, so that's gonna be the first stop. All right, everybody's going down the ramp, but I'm going this way. Down the staircase, so I can get over here, where it says right there, on the sign right there, Disneyland Hotel. Right here's that rude crosswalk. It's gonna ask for my weight. Here we go.
Wait downtown.
Oh wow. Didn't ask very long, did it? Right, so here's a daytime look at the Disneyland Hotel sign. Not sure if it's coming out good. Let's see if there's too much glare or what, but here's what it looks like. And like I say, if you ever come this way by this sign, do not go that way unless you have a room key, because you'll have to come back this way and head over to the next inlet. Disneyland Drive, make a right, and then you'll be able to get into the hotels. See if we can see something over here. Oh yeah, they unscrimmed everything. It's right where the DVC mock-up was. Right there. Alright, this whole thing has been unscrimmed. That lot is going to be open. I don't know what's going to be open for, but maybe it's going to be for more cast members. Because this Lido lot right here to the right is for cast members. Alright, first stop's going to be right inside the Disneyland Hotel. Let's go see if there's anything new going on inside. It's too early for Santa, but you never know. He might be in there, he might not be. It's not in the right time frame though, but let's go check and see if Santa's inside. Somebody's going to come over here someday and count all the hidden Mickeys on the 80 different colors. I'm sure somebody knows already how many hidden Mickeys there are. Let's take a walk down this very, very clean Disneyland Hotel. Huge carpet. It's pretty rad. I like that logo. The font. Old school. Alright, so I'm too early for this. It's 2:09 p.m. Next show starts at 3. And Santa is going to be around this way, which I'm pretty sure it's actually too early for Santa too, but let's go take a look. That's the old Santa location. New Santa location, like we saw last time, is right around this corner. Probably even made it go down a little bit. Alright, so at 3:30 p.m. and allegedly, which he wasn't there last time, 8 p.m. is when Santa will be here, and he's storytelling at like 5. Oh whoa, look at this. The bar got a makeover. Let's go take a look. Alright, check out the lobby lounge. This thing has got a makeover. Oh wow, check it out. Sleeping Beauties. It's decorated Sleeping Beauty. Check it out. This thing opens at 5. Check out, there's a red light, green light, blue light way back in the corner. Looks like it's all made out of wood. Oh yeah, they enclosed and everything. Never been this far in, but since it's not actually open, we can get a look at what it looks like. The new decorated lobby lounge. I thought this thing was actually going to go away to be something else and re-themed is what somebody told me, which, and I can see it is re-themed, but it's still going to be a bar. And then there was some like Goofy's, like a little kids lounge right there. I don't know what they're doing back behind that screen, but that's gone. Let's go outside, take a peek. What we got going out here by the hotels. Someday, I'll get to see Tinkerbell projected off the building over here. Oh, what's that noise? I want to see what's going on right here. Hey, they're testing a fire alarm system over here. Right, they got a bunch of languages for testing the fire alarm system over here. Japanese right there.
May I have your attention? May I have your attention? We will be testing the fire alarm system. This is only a test.
Man, this dude's got Portillo's, which is in Buena Park over by Knott's. Looks like Uber Eats. Man, somebody got Portillo's, which there's only 2 over here in Southern California. They say the one's over by Knott's Berry Farm. The other one's over in, what is it? It's miles away. It's probably at least an hour away out in the Inland Empire. Standing out here in front of the Frontier Tower, taking a look at the DVC tower right there. This tree right here kind of looks fake. We'll be in that little area, we'll take a look, but it's probably not, but it just doesn't look right. Right, let's go take a look at this tree, but let's also go inside and see if there's anything new other than the one Christmas tree they had in here. Both sides open. Let's see, is this tree real? I guess it is. Just the way it's sagging just doesn't look real, but it is. Let's go see if there's anything different in here for Christmas. Which, oh, here's what I was going to look at coming up. Yep, more stuff hanging off that stuff up there. Probably going to be more lighting, some weird kind of lighting, I would assume. Uh-oh, here we go. Testing the fire alarms. Sandbag. Alright, you could actually go in. We were already in there, so I'm not going to be going in, but you could actually go in there and check out the bar and get yourself some food and drinks. Oh wow. What the heck's going on here? They took off exactly what these things were supposed to be. That's weird. We're after still testing the fire alarm here. Lights went dim a little bit. And this is all new. This is brand new, but they're still painting. I don't know why it still needed to be a new fresh paint job, but brand new paint over here on the brand new DVC. And make sure you don't have diarrhea before you get in here. Right, let's go check out Pixar Place Hotel. There's my buddy. And the last little bitty star sign that's was by where the employees go in is actually gone. We'll go check that out too. Right, spoiler alert, I do see a little bit of scrim up there, so we're gonna have to go up in one of the floors so we can peek down, check out the new paint job slash bench, new trees, whatever else they got going on in there. It's on the 3rd floor. Right around the corner right here. Brand new sign right here. They finally got rid of the old one with the star hanging off it from the old hotel. Paradise Pier, finally got rid of it. And here's a great maple with not too many people in it. Is it actually open? I don't see anybody in it. Let's go see. Nope. Not open yet. Where's it gonna be opening right now? Anything going on over here yet? Oh wow, they're getting it all set up over here. Getting the coolers in. Getting the register in. A bunch of construction guys over here chilling out to my left. Got the cooler going. I can hear it going. It's getting there. Yeah, this thing's on. Test driving that. Getting those machines. Checking those things out. Over here at the Sketchpad Cafe. Last time I was here, there was a bunch of people sitting here, so I really couldn't show this thing off, but this is pretty much new, or at least the lighting's new, but this was scrimmed off. And now it's lit. Let's go peek in here one more time. See what they have in the way of snacks. I'm gonna get me some actually free water over here, because I'm pretty sure I saw it the last time they moved it. Actually, there it is. Let me give me some of that free water. Right, I'm going up to number 5 so we can peek down and see what it looks like, what the scrim is on level number 3. Then we'll go down to level number 3.
Going down.
Right, this is not actually high enough, so let's go higher. And then I see there's actually a menu over here at the old sandbar. We'll go check that out too. Well, I just turned around and noticed that these windows are all missing out of here, or they're leaning inward. Right, just went up 2 floors. Guys are doing construction behind me. All right, here we go. Check it out. It's a big fun activity location. There's going to be a big tree right in the middle of right in through here. They're going to put trees in those 4 planter boxes. It's going to be a little fun zone right there. All right, let's go down to that floor and let's go take a look at the menu. That's right here on the old sandbar. Yeah, it'd be nice to get in there to see what's going on. Let's peek out this window before we actually go down. See what's out here. There's a splash pad. Nobody actually utilizing it over there though. Right, going to number 3. Let's go check this out.
3rd floor.
Can never remember if you can pull on this door or somebody put the sign in the wrong spot. It says pulls that way. That's where they're doing construction. All right, do I pull or do I push? Or do you do, oh, it's locked. Can't even get out there. Well, that sucks. Got to be another, oh, duh, it says pull this way. All right, let's go check it out. That's why. Oh, wow. Let's check this out. I'll trip out. This is where, yeah, because this is actually the freight elevator location. This is where the actual cast members were selling stuff right out this door right here. It was actually right here, which is long gone. That did not last long. That's why the sign said pool that way. Those are new. I guess it was all scrimmed off last time, so these lights are brand spanking new. Looks like they need to either be wiped down or they're scratched. Yeah, these lights are new. We'll see what's around the corners. Check this menu out. Actually, they're working on it over here. What the heck was there before? There's holes and stuff, like there was something here. See all the holes going around the outer perimeter? I don't remember what was there. This needs to be turned. Here we go. Doesn't say what this is yet, but here's the menu. Hopefully this stuff comes out from right here, because if it doesn't, which I don't think it will, except for the beverages, so if it doesn't actually come out of here, they're gonna bring it up from downstairs. And if you don't get everything you need, it takes a while for them to get back up here to give you whatever you want. Brand new tables. Oh, they're chess tables. 1 of 5 it says written on it. How clean everything is up here. that panel's new. Yeah, that panel's new, so I'm probably gonna put one on the other side. Remember, you can come up here. This is the 3rd floor over here at the Pixar Place Hotel once the fireworks go off. The music, actually you hear music now, but the music that you'll hear from the fireworks is gonna be over here too. And gotta say hi to Grimace. Even though it's not Grimace, gotta say hi to Grimace. There he is. What's happening, Grimace? I didn't bring a camera that does a super zoom, but right there, somebody actually working on one of the windows. You can kind of hear it, but and there's all kinds of schematics in those windows over there. Right now, I know why the Great Maple was actually not open. It says right here, there's 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. Then they open up at 5 and then close at 10. So that's why the Great Maple wasn't even open. All right, let's go to the front of this place. And can we get in these elevators? Actually, I think we can. Let's go. Assuming we can use these elevators. Like I said, we're in a freight elevator area. We're an evacuation deal. This is all the deal for construction guys. Fall restraint procedures, because they are actually sticking out of the windows, I've noticed. All right, let's see which one we get. What all the fans are for. Well, I don't even know if you could actually use these. You know what, let's don't use these. Let's go this way. Well, let's go this way. See what the deal is with all these fans. Smells like new carpet. But yet none of this is new. Actually, yeah, this is all new carpet. That's what it is. They're fanning out the smell right here. Here's what I don't get. So why aren't they taking a floor out at a time, doing the whole floor? Because, all right, so there's the construction doors that goes to the whole one wing of this whole hotel. Now, how are they going to get this side done? Well, actually, you know what? They're going to have to take that construction elevator off. They're going to have to install it down here on this whole other end, I guess, because they got it all the way up to here. So this whole side of the hotel hasn't been taken care of, so they're going to have to put some kind of construction entrance over there for those guys to finish this off. All right, so like I said, let's go down to the... That tripped me out. Actually, that one right there tripped me out. I was wondering, man, they put that thing there wrong. And here's something you're not going to see coming up is the Paradise Pier Hotel carpet. But yeah, no, they fooled me because that door's locked. All right, let's go to the lobby. We'll head to the front, which we're actually going to go into the lobby, actual elevator over here. Where all the lights are out. Actually, looks like they redid the base on this thing. All right, let's go to the lobby. Yeah, the whole interior, this I guess has actually been done, except for the actual windows.
Level 3.
All right, let's go check out the DVC over here. I don't want to get bugged or bothered by the DVC people, but there's actually people over here, so take a look. Mail drop. I'm assuming somebody actually plays here. I guess if you're a guest and you know how to play, can you play it? Yeah, I don't actually want to go in there because I don't want to get bugged or bothered. Check out this custom looking mail drop over here. I'm assuming that's newer than what I've seen. Let's take a look at the upper levels from out here on the street sidewalk. Sketchpad Cafe. It's getting there. Actually, this is new. It's over here the last time. Self-parking, $40. I'm pretty sure you could actually park here and you get 3 hours. Don't quote me because I haven't been into the Great Maple yet, but pretty sure you can park here and then get validated. It won't cost you anything if you're going to the Great Maple. Right, here's a closer look at the schematics. All right, so very top one up there. I'd love to get up there. It looks like the 15th. So you got 14th, 13th, 12th, and 11th. There's no schematics. So I'm just curious if those things are taken care of or not. I don't want to get too far. Someone's gonna blind us. Right, dudes are coming down. Let's go take a whole different way to get into downtown Disney. Alright, so all this stuff here is for what they're doing. Actual up there in those rooms. So how are they going to get all this stuff to do the other side? That's why I'm thinking they're going to have to move that construction elevator at some point. Right, I have no idea what all that stuff is, but it says made in China on the boxes. Nothing but the best. Made in China. So let's actually go into downtown Disney. Take a look at a few things and then we'll call this video quits. If you got this far into the video and you like this video, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. It is totally free. Right, let's go head into downtown Disney. All right, here's some new scrim. Let's see if they're making a little pathway. They're doing something. It's a big gaping hole, but I think that's a pathway for the ADAers. People with wheelchairs. I'm pretty sure that's what that is. And it's gonna be the whole new security entrance right here. It's pretty big. But that is the new security entrance in this little building right here. That's for actual security. That's where they take the breaks, is what I was told. Right, it's a Tuesday and this looks like a dead zone over here. I know there'd be nothing going on right here at this particular time, but let's go take a peek inside the area and see what we can see, which probably won't be much. Right here's the furthest you can go. There's nobody really working over here, but they're actually getting ready to put some kind of possible stucco over here. But all these studs are bare, and then here is some, I bet you that's like weather coating before they actually put possible stucco over there. And let's go take a look at Din Tai Fung over here. I'm gonna be walking on this grass. Let's see if you can hear it. It's super crunchy. I just walked on it. It's like crunchy. I can't see much, but they're getting a bunch of stud walls up over here in Din Tai Fung. Right, still got the scrim going over here where this concrete right here is gonna actually meet up that way. So let's go over check out the Paseo and the Centrico. See what's been going on over there. That's about it in downtown Disney. Like I said, this is all new, looks cool. Oh, right on the other side of this wall, they're actually they dug some trenches and stuff. I think that's where possible Earl Sandwiches is going to be. I didn't think that area was big enough, but it does look pretty big. Well, here's where I thought Earl Sandwiches is going to go, since this is allegedly going to be a 2-story, not a 3-story. Thought it was going to be right here at Tortilla Joe's. So once Paseo and Centrico opens, is this still going to be here? Right, all that wood is totally new from when I was here the last time. So let's go take a peek over here, because this was all covered in scrim, which it's not scrimmed off at the moment. Maybe they thought it was going to be windy. This post right here, this one right here, that had plastic going around it the last time I was here. I'm not even sure if those studs going along the top right there, if that was there last time or not. Then these brackets all going across the top here. I wonder if they're going to be putting in wood like up in here. It looks like they got some fire sprinklers going on like right in through here. So it's going to be a bunch of fire sprinklers up there. Right, this piping right here is the fire sprinklers. But they haven't put the actual tips on yet. Let's go all the way over to the Esplanade. For some reason, man, it is light with people over here. Maybe it's going to pick up here tonight, but there ain't much people here at all. There's the monorail. I didn't know you could actually see the monorail that just went by right over here at the Grand California. First time I ever seen that. Right, I guess I'm glad I did come this way because there's some weird bush scrim right in front of me over here. Right over here by Earl of Sandwiches. Let's go see if we can see anything behind this scrim right over here. Let's take a look. What the heck is going on over here? Really not much to be doing over here. Yeah, now you can't see anything. It's kind of weird. Actually, they're real plants too. Well, they're doing something because they got electricity going inside there. All right, let's go take a look at the Esplanade. Right, just made it to almost the middle of the Esplanade. Not much going on here either. You got the Festival of Holidays going on in DCA, which I have not been in there since San Francisco. I haven't been in there for any of the construction, and it's all finished. So how long did that take? And I haven't been into DCA since that long. I got one more spot to take a look at, and then this video will be ending. So let's go take a look at that little trailer. It's over at the far end of downtown Disney to see if there's any updates, like if that's going to be the pop-up roll of sandwiches, or I don't see why it'd be here right behind that bush area right there, because it's right next to roll of sandwiches. I just noticed the sign that says Magic Key over here at the Wonderground Gallery, so let's go and see exactly what it is. So I'm on my way out. I don't like carrying things out, but since I'm actually leaving, let's actually go see what's going to be inside the Wonderground Galleries. It says Magic Key right over here. Here's a look at the tree. And it does snow here at night. They pump out a bunch of snow. Yeah, let's go inside and see what the Magic Key gift is. Alright, here's what you get. A Disney Wish poster. Come on down to the Wonderground Galleries, and you look, get your poster. This is probably the least congested you'll ever see this over here. But we're gonna go right around the corner from Star Wars Trading Post before we exit to see what this trailer might be over here. Right, this concrete job right here has to be temporary because that is kind of sloppy. All right, here's that trailer. See if we can see anything. I still think that's going to be a pop-up roll of sandwiches. Check out a new exit. Right, leaving downtown Disney. Hit that thumbs up, man. Hit that thumbs up. Shortcut's kind of that way, but you know what? Since you're exiting here, I'm going to do the long route. I haven't done this route in a while. See if there's any kind of monorail here, up here on the station, which is right in front of us. I don't think there is, but let's go check it out. Nope, no monorail. It's up and running, so we're making the loop, just not there right now. There's my shadow. Well, my shadow's in the shadows. Here I am. The length of those legs. Oh my gosh. Like that video, hit that thumbs up, guys. Hit that subscribe button. It is totally free. Booking it out of the Disneyland Resort. Right, you know, you're in Anaheim when you got some tourists cruising by, taking a look at the signage, but remember, go over to Signs of Amusement and look for Two Fat J's. Coming soon is going to be Del Taco review on the birria. I don't know if that's what you call it. I'm going to be getting a quesadilla and the ramen. Two Fat J's, man, on Signs of Amusement.